everyone. Good morning. I am Leslie Bimnara. I am in Vikramishla College. Today I am talk about magnets. Let's see. There are several types of magnets. Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, ring magnet and U magnet. You can see the pictures. And magnetic materials. Materials which attract towards the magnets are called magnetic materials. Examples for magnetic materials: iron, nickel, ferrite and steel. Ferrite is used to make in powerful magnets. Magnets made of steel, you can see the picture, and magnets made of ferrite. You can see the picture of magnets made of ferrite and steel. Poles of magnet. The regions of the magnet where magnetic power is concentrated are called magnetic poles. There are two types of poles, North Pole and South Pole. Identify the magnetic poles. Poles of the magnet can be identified by the several methods. Several methods of identifying magnetic poles. We can using a compass, by using hanging method, by floating on water, and by using a magnet which mark poles. Thank you. Goodbye.
I am Chanutmi Kenaya. I am from Vishwada College. I am in grade 8. Today I am going to present about magnetic field of a magnet. Magnetic field of a magnet. Do you know what is meant by the magnetic field of a magnet? The area the magnetic power is spread around a magnet are known as magnetic field of a magnet. These are some pictures of magnetic field of a magnet. Magnetic field lines. The imaginary lines used to denote the magnetic power around a magnet are known as magnetic field lines. It may be clear to you that iron filings are arranged around a magnet along the pattern of magnetic field lines. Show how the like poles are repel each other and unlike poles are attract each other. Activity 6.5. You will need a bar magnet, iron filling, a test tube of the side to insert the magnet, a beaker of tall form, glycerin or coconut oil. Method. Fill the beaker with glycerin or coconut oil mixed with iron filling. Insert the bar magnet into the test tube and dip it slowly in the beaker. Observe the pattern of iron filling arranged around a magnet. Poles of magnet. The regions of where magnetic power is concentrated is known as magnetic poles. There are two types of magnetic poles, North Pole and the South Pole. Thanks for watching my presentation. Goodbye and have a nice day.
My name is Vaini. I am from Nala. I am in grade 8. Now I am going to do my presentation. Now I am talk about compass. You are know about what is mean by compass. Compass is the instruments used to find the direction. These are the pictures of compass you can see. Activity 6.7. You will need a large needle, a cork bunk, a plastic basin full of water. Observation. Identify the north and south direction. Conclusion. When a compass is kept near a magnet, the needle turns along the direction of the magnetic field. Therefore, field of a magnet can be identified using a compass. These are the pictures of activity 6.7. Activity 6.8. You will need a bar magnet, a compass, a sheet of white paper. Observation. Position of the compass needle around a bar magnet take a various direction. Conclusion. Magnetic field lines of a permanent magnet direct from north pole to south pole. Hence, the direction of magnetic field is from north pole to south pole. Magnetic field of a bar magnet. This is the pictures of magnetic field of a bar magnet. My presentation is over. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, my name is Tevindi Pehansa. I live in Medigama. I am going to study in grade 8 at DS Senanayaka National School, Medigama. Today I am going to present about geomagnetism. Geomagnetism. When a compass is kept horizontally near the surface of the earth, its needle turns along the north-south direction. This magnet field existing near the earth is known as geomagnetism. Let's do the activities now. You will need two compass, a bar magnet, a piece of thread. Method. Hang one bar magnet horizontally on the stand using the piece of thread. Keep the bar magnet hang on the stand and two compasses about 2 meters apart from the other. Take another bar magnet and bring one of its pole closer to each compass and to the magnet hung of the stand. Record your observation. Take away the bar magnet and observe the directions of the poles of compass needles and the bar magnet which is hung. Respect the activity charge in the location of compasses. Liquefied metal current circulate around the axis of the earth because of the high temperature at the core of the earth. The magnetic field of the earth is the result of the electric current thus generated. When a compass or a magnet is kept fairly near the earth, its north and south pole are directed along the magnetic field of the earth. The direction that the north pole of the magnet or compass kept in that manner is known as the magnetic north of the earth. This is some pictures of earth magnetic field. There is a little difference between the real north and the magnetic north of the earth. The magnetic north lies a few degrees northwest from the real north. My presentation is over. Thank you all for staying with me. Goodbye to all of you. Hoping to see you again.
Hello friends, today I'll tell about two groups of magnets. Let's move my presentation. Temporary magnets and permanent magnets. Magnets are divided into two groups. They are temporary magnets and permanent magnets. First we discuss temporary magnets. You have a question, what are the temporary magnets? In electromagnet, magnetic power remains only when electricity is supplied. These type of magnets called temporary magnets. Temporary magnets are made from soft metals. Common temporary magnets include nails and paper clips.
Another type of temporary magnet is an electromagnet. Magnets are created when the electrons in the object all point in the same direction, and it also created by using electrical field. What is an electromagnet? A setup that becomes a magnet when electricity is supplied. Electromagnet can be seen in trains, in electric bulb, in MRI machines also. I think now you know what are the temporary magnets. The second subtopic is permanent magnets. Permanent magnets are the magnets that magnetic power remains for a long time period, making a permanent magnet. Permanent magnet can be made by two ways. They are electrical method and contact method. First, this is the experiment that shows a magnet can be formed by electrical method. Let's do this experiment. You can see the stapler fillings are attached to the nail. Reason: when electric current flowing through the iron nail, magnetic effect form on it. Conclusion: a magnet can be formed by an electrical method. The second method, contact method. Let's do this practical also. You can see stapler fillings are attached to the needle. Conclusion of this experiment: permanent magnets can be obtained by contact method. Thank you for watching my video. I am Sani Pabsara. I wish you a good day and goodbye.
Hello everyone, now I am going to talk about a very important fact when we use magnets. Does the magnetic power of the permanent magnet retain forever? No, because after some time period the magnetic power of the permanent magnet will be losing from that magnet. So now I am going to talk about what are the factors for the losing of the magnetism from a permanent magnet. Aging, being subjected to high temperatures, being subjected to a strong magnetic field, being subjected to large vibrations will be cause for the losing of the magnetism from that magnet. So how we can store a permanent magnet correctly without damage to its magnetism power? We should store the magnets in order to without scatter the magnetic field of that magnet. For that, we can place a strap of wood between the magnets as shown in those figures. So do you know what are the uses of the magnets? We use magnets in our day-to-day life. They are very useful as to conduct our daily activities. Now I am going to show you some examples that use magnets for their manufacturing technology. So first, in this first picture, you can see a compass and a loudspeaker. In some doors, in some phone covers, in some pencil boxes, in some bags we can see magnets. So this is the end of my presentations. Thank you very much for watching our video. So goodbye. Have a nice day.